This is the Monkey King's Communist Kitsch Waving Chairman Mao wind-up clock. We carry it in both red and gold. This knob on the bottom left hand winds the clock, which you'll need to wind approximately every 48 hours to keep the clock working. The bottom right knob adjusts the time. The clock includes an hour, second, and minute hand. The top left knob sets your alarm. The alarm time is shown by the short red hand. Now we'll show you how the alarm sounds when it goes off. You stop the alarm by moving this plastic white knob to the left. Sometimes wind-up clocks can get a little fast or a little behind time, so you can adjust your particular clock based on its mechanics with this knob here, and there's a plus and a minus end. With each ticking second, Chairman Mao waves his hand, an awesome piece of Communist Kitsch collectible.